Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Jeep Wrangler doors off. First, let's gather your tools and prepare your vehicle for the process. You'll need a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet. Make sure your Jeep is on a level surface and roll down all the windows. Don't forget to disconnect the wiring harness and the check strap from each door before moving on. Now, let's move on to detaching the door hinges. You'll find 2 Torx bolts on each hinge. Use your T50 Torx bit to carefully loosen and remove these. It's a good idea to keep all the bolts together in a safe spot so you don't lose them. If any bolts are a bit stubborn, a little penetrating oil can help loosen them up. With the bolts removed, it's time to safely lift the doors off. Open the door to about a 45-degree angle. Grip the door firmly from both the bottom and top edges. Then, lift it straight up and off the hinge pins. Jeep Wrangler doors can be a bit heavy, so don't hesitate to ask a friend for help if you need an extra set of hands. Once your doors are off, proper storage is key. Find a secure, padded spot to keep them safe from scratches. Many people use specialized door carts or wall mounts for convenience. When you're ready to put them back on, simply reverse these steps. Remember to lubricate the hinge pins before reinstallation for a smoother process next time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.